We're now in the level 5 plant room of Tyree. Can you please tell me a little bit about yourself and your relationship with this room?
Yes, I'm Nick Jones. I'm the energy manager for the university. So I have responsibility of looking after not only the Kensington campus, but other campuses and research stations that we have. My main role is to make sure we have an electricity, gas and water supply to the campus and to measure and monitor our use. I do have some responsibility for certain pieces of equipment as well, and this TriGen System is one of those pieces of equipment.
Can you please describe the TriGen System?
The TriGen is called Tri because we get three sorts of energy from it. We get electricity, which is generated by the genset. We get chilled water, which is generated by the absorption chiller, this piece of equipment here. And we also get hot water, which we use to supplement the heating system in the building.
Whereabouts is the electricity used on campus?
The electricity from this system is actually fed into the local grid. That's a private grid that we have on the university. And from that grid, the various buildings across the university pull their electric power. There is a very large demand for energy, electrical energy on the campus, so none of it is exported out into the Osgrid system. It's all used within the campus here.
What's the operation profile like for this system?
Well, this particular system, I run it 5 days a week. I run it during periods of peak demand on the campus, and that's typically between 1 o'clock in the afternoon and 6. So at the moment I'm running it 5 hours a day between 1 o'clock and 6 o'clock for 5 days a week. The two main pieces of equipment on the TriGen System are the electricity generator, which is in that unit there, and the absorption chiller, which is this light blue piece of plant here. The electricity generator is driven by a gas engine. That's a V16 engine of 35 litres capacity, so it's quite a big engine. The alternator on that engine is rated at 1300 kVA, and it will generate a maximum of 800 kilowatts. The absorption chiller, that's rated at a maximum output of 300 kilowatts refrigerant. At the moment I'm running the generator at 700 kilowatts, so slightly derated in deference to extending its life. So that means the absorption chiller is running at a maximum of 200 kilowatts. We do have capacity to put heating into the system to supplement the HVAC installation, and we can put up to a maximum of 460 kilowatts into that system. The amount that goes into either the heating or the cooling is split. So if I'm using 50% of my cooling capacity, I can only use 50% of my heating capacity, and so on.